Unlock the power of passive income for your Wix website by mastering the art of Google AdSense approval. First things first, your Wix site needs to be polished and professional to make a great first impression on Google's reviewers. High quality, original content is king, so focus on creating valuable articles, blog posts, or descriptions that genuinely engage your audience and provide unique information. Ensure your site has a clear structure with an easily navigable menu, an About Us page, and a Contact Us page to demonstrate legitimacy and transparency. Make sure your contact details are readily available. This builds trust with both your visitors and the AdSense team. Variety in your content is also a plus. Think blog posts, articles, image galleries, or embedded videos, as long as they are all original and relevant. A well-organized footer with copyright information and a sitemap can also contribute to a positive review. Integrate social media links to showcase your website's reach and community engagement. Once your site is content-rich and well-structured, it's time to head over to the Google AdSense website and begin the application process. Wix offers direct integration options for AdSense, often found in the marketing or monetization sections of your dashboard, simplifying the placement of ad code. After submitting your application, patience is key. Google will review your site to ensure it complies with their advertising policies. Ensure your Wix website is fully responsive and looks great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones, as this is a crucial AdSense policy requirement. Familiarize yourself with AdSense policies, especially concerning prohibited content, user experience, and advertising practices to avoid rejection. When your site is approved, you'll receive a notification from AdSense, and you'll be ready to start monetizing your valuable Wix content.